Huawei Precision Air Conditioner Introduction. Chilled Water Precision Air Conditioner. In this section, we will introduce the Chilled Water Precision Air Conditioner. The Chilled Water Precision Air Conditioner has a surface air cooler and uses chilled water to exchange heat between the chilled water and indoor air. Huawei provides a chilled water indoor unit. It has three main components: a two-way valve, fan, and surface air cooler. The two-way valve can continuously adjust the water flow due to changes in the thermal load, accurately controlling the temperature. The fan accelerates the airflow and improves the heat transfer capability of the heat exchanger. The surface air cooler controls the indoor temperature and humidity by exchanging heat between the chilled water and indoor air. The next section will introduce some auxiliary components. The power supply unit can supply stable power to the fan and other small components. The condensate water pump drains condensate water from the system. The float is used to control the condensate water level. A single air conditioner has a low-level float and a high-level float. Here, I want to introduce the working method of the condensate pump. Our air conditioner has self-draining water pipe and forced water pipe. The forced water pipe is connected to the condensate pump. When the air conditioner is working, it generates condensate water. When it generates condensate water, the self-draining pipe can drain out some of the excess water. If the self-draining pipe is blocked and the water level from the air conditioner is too high, then the water level will reach the low-level float. The pump starts working. If the pump or draining pipe is faulty, then the water draining system malfunctions, and the air conditioner will emit a drain fault alarm. If this continues, the water level will keep rising and reach the high-level float. Then, the air conditioner will emit a full water system fault alarm, and the air conditioner will stop. This is how the water drainage system works. There are also other components in a chilled water air conditioner, including a water sensor, temperature sensor, air filter, electric heater, and electrode humidifier. This is the structure of the Netco 5000C. It's very simple. Parts 1 to 5 are located inside the air conditioner. Parts 7 to 11 are located outside of the air conditioner. The heat exchanger acts as a surface air cooler. The exhaust valve is used to exhaust air in system. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.